Hello and welcome to another Microsoft Paint tips, techniques, and fun. I hope you're learning a lot of things. I'm trying to go over a lot of practical things that you can use every day on if you just want to do artwork, design, graphic design, and even design postcards or letterhead or even flyers. Today I'm going to do a postcard style that you can mail out or you can put inside an envelope. It's going to be a pretty simple design. I'm going to kind of freestyle here. So here we go. I'm going to click on Microsoft Paint. We're going to open up Microsoft Paint and you see an area of white right here. This is what I'm going to use to build a design. Okay, I'm going to be using what's called Clipart on this, and Clipart is basically just artwork that's already prepared by an artist, and you can get Clipart online or you can go to a store and use Clipart, buy Clipart software. That's how you spell it. And you can use Clipart in your flyers, your correspondence, just about anything. You can use it, Clipart, on Facebook if you want to. Clipart is basically something that is royalty free and you're allowed to use it by the person that designed the clip art. Some artwork is copyright and photographs have copyright, so you have to be careful when you use those, but clip art is basically yours to use at any time. Okay, I'm going to insert some clip art here. I'm going to be doing a automobile repair postcard. So I'm going to bring some artwork in. It's some clip art. Go to the folder and I'm going to enter that piece of clip art right there. And this is going to be my basic art that I'm going to use on this postcard. In case you're wondering why I'm putting the clip art on the left side of the postcard, it's because when people read, they basically read from left to right. Now I can move this. I can move it to the middle, I can move it to the right, but I prefer that it is on the left. And the way I do that, again, if you want to see that, I click on the select tool and I bring the crosshairs down and I select that art and just put the mouse cursor over the top of it, hold down the left tab, and I can move it anywhere I want it, just like that. But I'm going to leave it on the left. Let's put a little square here where we could use our postage stamp. Put a little square right there, and I'll go to the line sizing. I will use kind of a skinny line, and I can type the word postage in there. And I can bring that word postage inside that little box, just like that. Okay, I'm going to kind of freestyle an advertisement here for this card. Let's go up here to the text. I'm going to put a title up here, and I'm going to select for a font. I'm going to use Arial Black because Arial Black is kind of a bold font, and this right here, I don't need to use bold for Arial Black, but I can click this B right here is for bold, or if I want it italicized leaning to the right, I can click on that. But I'm not going to do that here. I'm just going to type in all caps, Joe's Auto Repair. And let me see if I can make that a little bigger. This is a fictitious name. I don't know of a Joe's Auto Repair anywhere. I'm just making this up as I go along. If you are watching this and are a repair person, your name might be Edward. So instead of Joe's, you would type Edward. So I want that there. And let's say I want it in red. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to type that in red, which is our kind of a burgundy. So it stands out. I'm going to put some text in here. Okay, I'm going to use the smaller font. I'm going to use a size 20 font on this. Stop by Joe's Auto Repair for all of your automobile servicing needs. Okay, and I'm going to leave that kind of centered. I'm going to put this in, I'm going to put that in black. Stop by Joe's Auto Repair for all of your auto servicing needs. Now I'm going to put here what Joe does. I can use bullet points, or I can just type it in. Tune-ups, brakes, batteries, air conditioning. And tires, tire repairs. Tire installation and repair. Okay, now the words are kind of on this here appears shorter, and then the words kind of come out longer. Let's move that brakes up here to the right of tune-ups, and we'll move batteries up to the right of brakes. I will put air conditioning right there. I'm pressing the space bar to move this over, and we'll kind of center that about there. I think that's about right, and I will leave that there in the middle. Tune-ups, brakes, batteries, air conditioning, tire installation and repair. One more little benefit here. We have some used cars available for sale. I'm going to move that word sale over here next to 4. I'm going to go up here to the select feature on the toolbar, click that, and then I'm going to encompass the word sale, and I'm going to bring that over here using the mouse and holding down the left tab on the mouse. Okay, and that is most of our card. So what you need to do down here is put your contact information or his contact information, and I'm going to do that in red again. So I'm going to use the Arial black font. I'm going to go up to about 24, and I'm going to type the word contact. And I'm going to put Joe Smith, Joe's Auto Repair, and then I'm going to put the phone number. Let's say area code 123, phone number 555-3391, which is again a made up fictitious item. Okay, so I'm going to move that, make sure it's all centered. Okay, for the clip art here, I want to move that down a little bit like that. I'm going to move this over, and you will have to measure this. I think most postcards are about, I don't know, 5 by 7. You'll have to measure it out. You can take this and print it on your computer. You can save this as a picture and then insert it into a Word document, and then from that Word document you can print these cards out. You can put maybe 4 to a page, print these cards out and on one page, and then take to your local printer, or if you want to print them at home or your office on your PC, you can do so. And you have just made a nice postcard that you did not have to pay an artist $200 to make. You made it. You save money and you save time. It doesn't look that bad. And I'm going to save this as Joe's Auto. And there we go. So we saved it, and there is our postcard to our business of auto repair or whatever you have. Thank you for watching this, and we'll see you soon.